Greetings from Slemani. My name is Shenah Sharif Abdullah. I am the principal investigator of one of the recipients of the Nahrein Network's small research project. Our project was called Documenting and Analyzing Local Archives at the Shenah Archival Center about the British Colonial Period in Slemani. Our team consisted of myself and a member of a local NGO, Osman Muhammad from Art Plus, and my colleague Shohan Abdul from the Kurdistan Institution for Strategic Studies and Scientific Research. And our team also had a group of energetic young people, among them Khalid Fazil and Buryar Muhammad, and a group of young university students from University of Slemani. Our main work was actually located here at the Shenah Archival Center. Initially, we started working on archives of the British Colonial Period. We found a lot of important documents. Some of them were secret documents from the British colonial era, which we started working on. We've translated some work which will be published in the future. Other things included lots of books. Amongst them are rare books from the British colonial era, which we have documented. Some of them were digitalized, and they are now all included in the Shenah website. So there's a digital website which local and international researchers and students can access and use. Among our other projects, we're working on local historians and intellectuals in Slemani. Behind me are the two libraries of Tawfiq Wahbi and Rafiq Hilmi, which we gladly worked on for an entire year. All of their projects have been finished. These included rare books in Kurdish, English, and other languages, as well as manuscripts, letters, photographs belonging to the two men from different historical periods. And they're now all being digitalized, and some of them are accessible in the online catalog. Another part of the project was documenting oral historical knowledge about the British colonial era. Rafiq Hilmi's daughter, Jean Hilmi, is actually the holder of the family archive, so we began interviewing her, and the process continues. And during this interview, we actually convinced her to donate her father's and her sister's libraries to Shenah Archival Center. Nahida Rafiq Hilmi, Jean's sister's work, would be the first female library to be brought to Shenah Archival Center, which we will work on next year as part of our project. And another result of this project was the publication of Jean's poetry collection, Al-Asal al-Mur, Bitter Honey, which is now published, and we will have poetry speakings for Shenah organized as part of the project. And as part of our project, we also began establishing contacts between local and international organization institutions, amongst them BNF and the University of Exeter, as well as the Prince Class organization. So Shenah will be the recipients of some funds from these aforementioned groups for future works. And the final part of our project was an opening ceremony for the Tawfiq Wahbi Library, as well as a symposium which we organized about the social sciences, some of our issues that we were facing as scientists, but also the potentials of doing work on the social sciences in the future. We thank the Nahrein Network at the University of College London, as well as the Arts and Humanities Research Council and the Global Research Challenge for our opportunity, for this funding opportunity, as well as the Shenah Archival Center for hosting us for one entire year and for work to continue in the future.